What were you thinking? What are you thinking? What is thought? What is the mind? What is the brain? What's it all about? I want to talk to you next Wednesday about the nature of thought and the nature of mind. Sometimes thinking is optional. We think we have all kinds of choices with words, and maybe we do, but there are aspects of the mind and thought that we may not know about, and I want to discuss these mystical matters with you next Wednesday. Please join me. You'll see the time and the call number below, and you'll just dial in the access number, the call number, put in the access number, and we'll be together Wednesday. Be there. Bye.